Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r/c:, and hit enter to execute this command. Now we need to type this command c:, and simply press enter. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space windows and hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now type in cd space c:/ and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32/config/regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space c:/ bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c:/ \boot \bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now type ren space c:/ \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.